Chief Arshad Madni has revealed that he once wrote to Congress MP Sonia Gandhi urging her not to give a ticket to Himanta Biswa Sarma, who was then part of the Congress itself. Now Arshad Madni says that he warned that Himanta Biswa Sarma carried the RSS mentality and people like him destroy the nation. Now this revelation is coming amid Assam's ongoing eviction drives.
हमने कहा सोनिया जी से कि आप इसको टिकट मत दीजिए। मैंने खत भेजा उनको, मगर उन्होंने नहीं माना। आज वही हेमंत है जो कांग्रेस की उस पॉलिसी और दस्तूर के खिलाफ उसने आसाम में आग लगा रखी है।
Well, Nyamika is connected with us right now. Nyamika, you know, after all these years and when Assam elections soon would be taking place, the point that has now been raised by Arshad Madni saying that he warned Sonia Gandhi before that the mentality of the RSS is something that Himanta Biswa Sarma carries.
Well, yes, indeed, as it is also a shocking revelation which he has made, as he has claimed that he had written a letter to the CPP chairperson Sonia Gandhi at that point in time when Himanta Biswa Sarma used to be in the Congress party, and he had also warned Sonia Gandhi not to give the election ticket to Himanta Biswa Sarma because he is carrying the RSS ideology, and now he is claiming that it is the result of him electing being elected as the Chief Minister of Assam that he has put the entire state to fire, and for that reason a response is also coming in on the part of the BJP, as even the Chief Minister of Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma has also responded over the same, that firstly it was Rahul Gandhi who had given a threat to him, and now it is Arshad Madni who is giving a warning to him, but it doesn't matter because people of Assam are standing with him, and he will continue to fight against the illegal settlers in the state of Assam, and he will continue to give the land rights to the people who belong to the state. And for that reason, in fact, we have also seen that how the BJP IT cell department chief Amit Malviya has also taken a giant over the Congress party, saying that does this mean that the Malvis decide who will get the ticket from the Congress party? The manner in which these statements are coming in, it has given an opportunity to the BJP to raise a question upon the leadership of the Congress party as well.
All right. Thank you very much, Nyamika, for joining in. As far as don't give a ticket to Himanta Biswa Sarma, Arshad Madni's point of view, saying that he had warned Sonia Gandhi beforehand when he was still part of the Congress. The BJP has now latched on as far as and has taken up this attack on Sonia Gandhi, accusing the Congress party of indulging in appeasement politics. The party leaders, however, questioned how many more advices Congress takes from figures like Arshad Madni, exposing his influence within the party. The BJP has also slammed the Congress for playing appeasement politics.
ये तो सोनिया जी और कांग्रेस पार्टी बताएंगे कि वो जो है वो कितने कठमुल्लाओं से जो है वो की सिफारिश से टिकट देते हैं।